I'm just doing a little test here of Smart Summon. So you can see I just go into the app here. I don't know if you can see that well, but and then just go under Summon, and then I'm going to click on Smart Summon. You can see on the screen here, I'm just going to choose a spot farther down at the end of this aisle here. So that's about as far as it'll go. And then I just tap and hold on the button here, and you can see the car. It's going to start driving down there. Overall, not too bad. So for the way back here, I'm going to have it, I'm going to actually use a different feature here that says, it's called Come to Me. So you can click here on the screen, and you do have to watch it, make sure it doesn't crash into things. I can see on the screen here where it sees the light pole though. There we go. And it's going to drive back down to me. Not too bad. I'm going to try smart summoning it to another area of the parking lot here. We'll just see how it does here. Turn right. I'm a little nervous, there's a person down there. Gonna have it drive back to me, saying that I need to move closer to the vehicle here. Okay, now I'm gonna just have it drive back to me here. A little too nervous. Comes. It's pretty crazy, a car driving without any person in it. Overall, it seems like it's doing a pretty good job here. So that's it, Smart Summon. And it's made its final stop here.